Welcome to the Polygon Cymatics Visualizer Tool Overview. This is a powerful tool that helps calculate and set up multiple omnidirectional audio sources for the Einsoft trimodal brainwave entrainment procedure. This is part of a series of tools created and open-sourced by Bio-Entrainment Therapeutics for the purpose of calculating speaker position and frequency selection for optimal entrainment. Over the next few minutes I will show you how this application makes calculating these distances and frequencies a breeze. At its core, this tool generates geometric wave patterns from many different and highly customizable settings. The base frequency controls let us explore the patterns generated from a wide band of frequencies. From 1 Hz to 25,000 Hz, each frequency creates unique vibrational patterns. By modifying the frequencies, the wavelengths move closer, together or farther away, creating more complex interference patterns. We can study these relationships through 4 specialized algorithms. Our phi ratio algorithm shows patterns based on the golden ratio, nature's perfect proportion. Fibonacci scaling reveals growth patterns like those found in shells and galaxies. Logarithmic scaling for standard expansion principles. Prime number scaling sequences generate unique and complex interference patterns in cymatics. We can view standard waves or isolate the 3rd and 5th harmonics, crucial frequencies in music theory and constructive interference patterns. With the zoom tools we can examine these patterns in incredible detail. The auto-scale feature lets us sweep through frequencies to find resonant points where particularly useful geometric patterns emerge. We can change the number of nodes from 3 to 12, creating everything from triangles to dodecagons. Each shape reveals how different frequencies interact with specific geometries. For clearer visualization, we can toggle the legend on and off. The color-coded wavefronts help identify different harmonic relationships in complex patterns. Another very useful part of this program is the ability to set each node's individual frequency. This allows complete control and customization over each Polygon Cymatics. Future developments will be posted to the GitHub. Feel free to clone and run this Python code on your own or download the compiled code in the description below.